Good evening to the respected judges and everyone present out there. It's a big pleasure for me to be standing here tonight. My name is Pirbi Durangpi and I belong from here itself, Tarlang Sodifu Karbi Anglong. I'm 18 years of age and now I'm currently pursuing my education at Don Bosco Higher Secondary School at 12th standard in the fields of arts. Talking about my interest lies in cooking, dancing, writings, readings, and last but not least, modeling. Today I'm standing here proudly and confidently, ready to conquer all my fears in life and to give wings to my childhood dreams, which I have been dreaming since then. And I strongly believe that if you have deep faith to the Almighty God,